In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create service catalog items in Freshservice. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clear, helpful service item that your end users can request with confidence, and your agents can fulfill efficiently. Start by signing in as an admin and heading to admin, then service management, and then service catalog. This is your control center for everything users can request in the support portal. To create a new service item, you have two entry points. You can use the Create dropdown in the top right and choose Service Item, or you can first click into a specific category or subcategory and create the service item from there. Either way, the service item form opens and this is where you define what the request will look like. Begin with the general details. Give the item a clear, action-oriented name that users will recognize. Pick the appropriate service category so it's grouped correctly. Add a short description for quick scanning and a longer description to answer common questions, clarify scope, and set expectations. If you track pricing, add the cost. If not, you can leave it blank. Estimated delivery helps set realistic timelines, whether that's hours or days. Finally, decide if the item should be visible in the portal right away, or keep it hidden if you're still preparing. Next, tailor who can see and manage the item. Use applicable to restrict availability to specific clients if needed, or leave it open to all. Contact visibility decides which requesters can view and request it, and agent visibility controls which agents can see and manage it on the back end. These settings help you avoid clutter and ensure the right audiences see the right offerings. To collect the details you need for fulfillment, add custom fields. Drag and drop text boxes, drop-downs, checkboxes, and other field types so requesters provide the necessary information up front. If you use the same fields across multiple items, shared fields will save time and keep things consistent. If this service often pairs with other offerings, include additional items. You can mark related services as mandatory or optional, and choose to create child requests when you want separate tickets for each component. This makes complex requests easier to track and complete. Before wrapping up, fine-tune the settings. Allow attachments if screenshots or documents are helpful, show quantity if multiple units can be requested, and customize the subject text to standardize ticket titles. When everything looks good, click Save and Publish to make it live, or save as draft if you want to review with your team before releasing it.